Excuse me, could you help me? I'm looking for the City Museum. Let's look at 7 words you'll hear. A landmark is a place that's easy to see and helps you find your way, like a clock tower. A roundabout is a round road where cars drive in a circle. A block is the distance between one street corner and the next. A junction is where 2 roads meet or cross. A crossroads is where 4 roads meet, like a plus sign. A signpost is a sign on a pole that shows directions, and a path is a narrow way for walking, often beside a road. Listen for these words in the conversation. Anna, excuse me, could you help me? I'm looking for the City Museum. David, of course. Do you know this area at all? Anna, not really. I just arrived by bus. David, okay, no problem. Let's start from here. You see that big clock tower? That's a well-known landmark in this town. Anna, yes, I can see it. David, great, it's hard to miss. It's the tallest building in the square. Anna, I noticed it as soon as I got off the bus. David, good. Walk toward the clock tower. When you reach it, you'll come to a roundabout. Anna, a roundabout? David, yes, that's a round road where several streets meet. Cars go around it in a circle. Anna, oh, I understand now. David, at the roundabout, take the second exit. It leads to Oak Street. Anna, second exit, got it. David, then keep walking for about 2 blocks. Anna, 2 blocks? What does a block mean exactly? David, a block is the distance between one street corner and the next one, so walk past 2 of those corners. Anna, okay, that makes sense. David, after 2 blocks, you'll reach a junction. Anna, a junction? Is that like a crossroads? David, almost the same thing. A junction is a place where 2 roads meet or cross. A crossroads usually means 4 roads meeting together, like a plus sign. Anna, I see the difference now. David, at that junction, turn left. You'll see a small signpost. Anna, what's on the signpost? David, a signpost is a sign on a pole that shows directions and place names. It will say, City Museum, 200 meters. Anna, is it far from here in total? David, not very far. Maybe 800 meters altogether. Anna, perfect. So I follow the signpost. David, exactly. Just follow the arrow on it and you'll walk straight to the museum entrance. Anna, this is really clear. Thank you so much. David, you're welcome. One more thing. Don't cross at the roundabout itself. Use the pedestrian path around it. Anna, a path? You mean the walking area beside the road? David, yes, that's right. It's safer than crossing where the cars turn. Anna, got it. So, clock tower, roundabout, second exit, 2 blocks, junction, left turn, signpost, and then the museum. David, you explained it perfectly. You'll find it in 10 minutes. Anna, by the way, is the museum open today? David, yes, it's open every day except Monday. Anna, good, because today is Wednesday. David, then you're in luck. Enjoy the museum. It has a fantastic collection of old maps. Anna, that sounds interesting. I love maps. David, then you'll love this place. Safe walk. Anna, thanks, goodbye. David, goodbye. Let's check what you remember from the conversation. Let's remember our words. A landmark is an easy-to-see place that helps you find your way, like a big bridge. A roundabout is a round road where cars circle around before choosing a street. A block is the distance between 2 street corners. 3 blocks means 3 corners. A junction is where 2 roads meet, and a crossroads is where 4 roads meet. A signpost shows directions on a pole beside the road, and a path is a narrow walking way, often next to a busy street. Great work today. Watch episode 21 of Everyday Conversations next in the playlist to keep practicing real-life English. Don't forget to download our free PDF workbook to review these words with fun exercises.